Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 34. And the instruction here says that we should choose the word that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word in this sentence. And the underlying word in this sentence is stately. Stately is underlined in this statement. And the sentence says, the boy came through the window as stately as he could. The boy came through the window as stately as he could. The option A says quietly, B says carefully, C says quickly, D says slowly. And when we say something is slow, it defines movement that is sluggish. So we can synchronize the word slowly with sluggishly. Then quickly is synonymous to fastly. It's an adverbial word, so we replace it with fastly. Then carefully simply means being conscious, that is consciously. It's also an adverbial word. Then quietly. Now when we talk of stately, when something is done stately, it is done in a silent way, or silent manner. And when something is silent, it means that it is quiet. So by this, the word that can actually synchronize this word in the options provided is option A, because quiet is synonymous to state, then stately is synonymous to quietly. Therefore, option A is correct because it is the synonym of quietly. And remember that this topic is under synonyms. Topic called synonyms. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.